looking at the severe threat for the U.S. We've seen a lot of activity going on, as you can tell by this SPC for tomorrow. You're noticing all of the activity is going to take place out towards the east of Dallas, getting into Arkansas and Louisiana as well. A lot of it is for ahead of that next front that is pushing through. We have a warm front that's moving north. There's already some thunderstorms picking up within the area, but this red region right here, that's where we're going to see the best chance for some severe weather, including but not limited to possible tornadoes within the region. Now, that front that's going to come through, and that's going to bring us cooler air, but drier air. As it continues out towards the east, we're going to see Atlanta and Georgia and many other states, unfortunately, dealing with the effects. So let's take a look at that front as it makes its way on, and here it comes, expected to arrive. Now, remember, ahead of this front, triple digits for the entire RGV. That front comes through, cooling us down, but bringing a lot of dry air within the area. So relative humidity dropping, we're looking at dew point dropping, and we're looking at the winds picking up for the area, and that's why we have that fire weather warning in effect. Now, we do see the potential for record high temps on Thursday itself, and by Friday we get a nice little drop down into the 70s. So remember, drink plenty of water, dress for summer, even though it's technically still winter. Use portable electric fans, and be aware of infants, older people, sick people, fragile people, and of course, your pets. All right, temperatures right now down to about 82 degrees in Harlingen, 85 in McAllen, and 94 degrees in Rio Grande City. As we look at your lows for tonight, we'll be down into those low 70s. 72 in Harlingen, 73 in Brownsville, 71 in Raymondville and Lyford. Hidalgo County, we're looking at about 73 for Elsa, Wesco, and Mercedes, 72 for McAllen and Edinburgh, and 73 out towards Mission, out towards Starr County. We're looking at about 69 degrees there. Now for tomorrow, I mentioned those triple digits, and it looks like we're going to hit those 102 in McAllen, 104 out in Rio Grande City. I would not be surprised if we break some records out there because of the heat that we're unfortunately going to be having to deal with tomorrow overall. Your 7-day forecast will keep us at around 100 for tomorrow, 79 for Friday, as I mentioned before. Dry air, cooler air. By Saturday and Sunday, we're at least staying in the 80s. By Monday, 85 degrees, Tuesday, 86, and Wednesday, 87, with mostly sunny skies throughout the next few days after that. But it's those lows that are going to feel nice and fresh early in the morning.